everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my January Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. So we'll jump into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I typically do all things makeup. I do quite a bit of unboxings, but I also do try-ons and kind of reviews of all of the boxes that I have unboxed for you guys. I would love for you to join my family, and this way you'll be notified of all my future uploads. Without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump right into the January Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. And so this is actually the lowest of the 3 tiers, and so they have made some changes recently. This one is the one that's right around $15. They do have another one where you get more full-size products for $25, and now just recently they have changed to the Glam Bag X, which will happen in February for the first month, and I will have that for you guys to review. But it is $50. It is a quarterly box, and I believe it's like 7 to 8 full-size products, so I'm excited to see about that one. But this one, let's open it up. So let's check out the... Oh, that's a very thin bag. Okay, that's interesting. So the bag is completely see-through, and it does have Dream all over it. Mostly in white stars, but you can see in blue little stars every now and again. The zipper is blue, and the pull tab is kind of a clear, tinged bluish pull tab. It is plastic. And here is the card. Dream It, of course, is the theme for this month. And the first item I'm going to do is one that I have outside of the box. And so this is a purple brush. It is a little bit of an angled brush. It feels okay. It's a little cheapy-ish. Plastic handle. There are 2 purple rhinestones. I do love purple. Purple is my favorite color. The bristles are not super nice. This is the SLMISS Glam P30 angled blusher brush in lilac. Retail value $19.50. Okay. It is a very beautiful color. They say that it has minimal fallout. Certainly will try it. So that's the first. It obviously is a full-size product. Next product here. Let's see what this is. If you can hear my boxer say is in here. Ditto Galaxy shade. So this is Ditto Eyeshade in Mars. This celestial-inspired shadow is your new secret weapon for out-of-this-world eye looks. Full-size version is $30.99. It says you can put it on your inner corner, below your brow bone, or on your cheekbones for full face glow. Oh, I just lost the plastic in it. That's kind of different than I expected. That's really pretty. It is a weird kind of like almost lion cat striped, it's hard to describe here, shade. It is definitely very metallic. There is a little metallic closure, which I love. I do really like the packaging too. It's beautiful. Let's go ahead and swatch this. So Mars is the shade, and we're going to put it right here on my arm, and you can definitely see that glow. It's a little dark for me to put on my cheeks particularly, but for eyes, that would be beautiful. Very, very pretty. It is nice and smooth. That is one swatch right there. I really like that. Okay. All right. So cool. We'll try that. Next product. This is from Sugar. This is the Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in Stephanie Plum. Full size value is $20.99. It says it will never crack, flake, or dry out your lips. It does have plastic all over it, so let's see if we can get the plastic off. Hang on. Hold, please. When in doubt, just manhandle it a little. It's okay. Okay, so here is the crayon. Wow. Crayon. I guess everybody says that a little different. Crayon color right here. It looks like my hand is stained. Sorry about that. It is kind of a red color. Let's put it on the back of my hand. Wow, that is nice and creamy. That actually is beautiful. It feels super, super smooth and went on beautifully. I will be very interested to see how this feels on the lips since it's matte. Typically, my lips are super dry, so matte doesn't work really well for me, but that is gorgeous. It does look like it's drying down definitely to a matte formula. It doesn't feel real dry on the back of my hand, but it is a little hard to tell. And retail value, I don't know if I said it, was $20.99 for a full-size product. So fourth thing here is from Uma. And so this was my choice item. This is the Uma Drama Bomb Extreme Lash Nourishing Mascara. This is supposed to be a gravity-defying formula that lifts, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes with avocado, jojoba, and castor oil. And castor oil is traditionally what people have used on their eyelashes for years and years to help them grow, to help them stay strong. And those other oils, of course, are very nice. The retail value full size is $19.50 for this. Let's check this out and see what it looks like. I'm excited to try this. This is actually a brand that I've wanted to try. Beautiful red, kind of a plastic coating on the outside of this bottle, so that's interesting. And then let's check out the brush. The brush is one of those brushes I like. It is a nice full bristle brush. So we'll have to... it smells like... oh, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like something. Oh, well, we'll try this in my next video. I'm super excited to try this actually, so we'll put this out to try it. And last product in my Ipsy bag this month is the Moroccan Magic Peppermint Eucalyptus Lip Balm. And so basically it's a lip balm. You can put it on your cuticles to heal them. Full size value is $3.99. This is a full size product. Yeah, it's a clear... oh, it smells like eucalyptus though. It does smell really good. Okay, so that's my January Ipsy Glam bag. I mean, there are a couple things in here that are really interesting that I would like to try. I feel like it seems a little cheapy this month, but that might just be my perspective, kind of. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. What do you guys think? What did you guys get in your Glam bags? Because I know they have quite a few variations. Did you get something you really loved? Drop me a comment and let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.